Hello guys, as you know, I've been doing this checking my mail, but today I do it a bit later because I have school. But yeah, I record so late. It is because I have coughed a bit. So yeah, let's hop into Roblox. We will wait for a while. Now I will mute since I have cough and I don't want to ruin that. I don't want to ruin. So you guys, I don't want to ruin how much text I write, so you guys can focus on the game I'm doing or whatever. Wait. I'm gonna go to the toilet. Wait. Maaf cikgu, boleh saya pergi ke tandas? Okay. There is legit 2 bots. Okay, that is easy. 2, 4, 6. What do I need to? 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8. You got that.